Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coder. Okay, so today in this PySpark video series we'll learn the partition and repartition function. Okay, so basically what is partition? First we'll try to understand that. If you guys have know the SQL, then SQL also we used to do partition, or you guys have any kind of knowledge on any data related work, means any kind of database, Oracle database or SQL, any kind of database. They are also used to do partition for doing the fast processing of data. Okay, so basically partition, what is partition? So in PySpark partition also it's like same. PySpark partition is a way to split a large dataset into smaller dataset based on one or more partition key. Okay, so basically you want any kind of particular partition key. Based on that we are partitioning the data, different files. Okay, so that our processing speed will be reduced and processing will be faster. Okay, so when you create a data frame from a file based on certain parameters, Spark creates the data frame with a certain number of partition in memory. This is one of the main advantage of Spark data frame over pandas data frame. Okay, so as we all know, Spark is 100 times faster than pandas and other data frames. So for this distributed system, Spark is much time faster, okay, than other data frames. Okay, transforming on partition data run faster as they execute a transformation parallelly for each partition, because Spark can do the parallel processing on each partition at a single time. Okay, so that's why we need to do partition when we used to work in large amount of data. Okay, that, and for that condition only Spark is too much reliable and work efficient. And today's industry, Spark everywhere Spark is most reliable and more work efficient, I can say. Okay, so basically partition is in our library also. What we used to do, there is a in in library, what we used to do, there is a big shelf in our library. Okay, so there, for getting the books very easy, what we need to do, we need to partition the books based on their mm, first capital of their name. So we have some book which name is starting with A. So that book I'm putting here. One book, two book, three book. Okay. So I have another book which name, first letter of the name is B. So that book I am storing here. That book, all the books I am storing here, so that whenever it is required to find out the book, that I need the book Gitanjali. So how I will find it? So I need to go the shelf of G, where is G shelf? So here is G shelf. There I need to search the book that Gitanjali where is there. So based on that, it is like partitioning the data. Okay. So there are multiple books on G shelf. Here I can find out where is my Gitanjali book very easily. We don't need to see other data. Only I need to search on the G shelf column. Okay. So this is the thing. This is the basic theory. I know who have the knowledge on database. They all already known about this thing, but still I'm telling you with the basic understanding. I think you understood. So let's do the hands-on. Okay. So I have already created one data frame. So for the processing speed faster, I need to push the data frame. Basically, I need to store the data frame in partitioning the file. After partitioning the file, so we can store it CSV also, in JSON also. So I have already shown you how to store the say, data in CSV, how to store the CSV, JSON, and Parquet file, that I have already told you in our earlier videos. Please go and watch. The videos are in sequence. Okay, in my channel Cognitive Coder. Please go and watch. Okay, so during the storage, how to store it in partition. Okay, so it's a simple thing. During data frame writer function, we can use their methods. Okay, in option I'm passing header as a true. We need the header, and I'm partitioning the data based on the state. Okay, so and it will be mode will be override. Okay, so I have already explained in my earlier video so how what is mode and how many types of modes are there. Please go and watch. So I'm storing it as a CSV file, and the location is here in my DBFS. Okay, so let's run it. Some changing the location. Let's run it fast. So my Spark job has completed. Okay, so let's go to data and DBFS, and here TMP file. Here I got my here I got the partition. Okay, where I have four types of state: West Bengal, WB, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. So based on that, the data got divided one minute. You can see based on that the data. One minute. I have already override my earlier file. I'm changing the file location and something in fidelity for your understanding. Okay, the once again the data stored into a new file. Here the all the files. Okay, all the files stored based on the state partition. I have Kerala state, Maharashtra state, and Tamil Nadu and West Bengal state. If I want to search any employee name from or any student name, whatever it is, okay. If I want to search the name of the student who is from West Bengal, so in that case, I just need to go to the state West Bengal, and after that, I will get it from him. Okay. So it is like that. You can do it if you want to check it in other state. That is also you can check in Kerala. The files are there. Okay, so it is like that. So if you want to partition the file into based on two columns, you can also partition your data based on city also. In that case, you just need to add the parameter field as an argument. You need to pass it, put it storing it in another file. Now you can see it go to your state file. You can see I'm going to use window. After that, once again it partitioned, the data got partitioned into city. Okay, You can see your final city. If I have few students from another city of West Bengal, then that will be also partition here. Okay, after clicking on that, Chennai is coming because I have only Chennai city. I have only Chennai city student from Tamil Nadu. Okay, based on that, the data got partition. There is another function, that is repartition. So repartition, it needs to do. Okay, why we want repartition? So repartition is basically whatever data I have in Kolkata, whatever student I have in Kolkata, I want to repartition that file once again, two or three more files. In that case, we need the repartition function. Okay, so basically, for processing the data more faster, we can repartition the data file into multiple files. Okay, so how we can do it? So just copy and paste it here. Keep it in mind, this repartition function, it's a fully independent function. We can't write it after this data frame writer function, data frame writer object. Okay, we need to write it before that repartition. Okay, repartition, how many repartition we want to do? We want to do the repartition for 2 5. Okay, in that case, what we need to do? We want to repartition the file for 3 files. There, how many data will be there for each partition? It will be repartition into 3 files. Okay, so this condition we need to use. We want to use. So what we need to do? Before that, I need to add some data here. Let me add few data for 1 minute. I'm not changing any names. Okay, only changing the IDs. Okay, 9, 10, 11. So for for each state I have three students. Okay, so what we will do now, we will partition the data, and after that we will repartition it into 3 files. So each file will contain the single data. Now I'm doing change it up. So now what will be our data? First, it will be partitioned by state. After that, each state have how many cities are there. That based on that, it will be partitioned. You can see we have first state data, and after entering to the state folder, we have the cities. If we have multiple cities here, then it will be partitioned by cities also. Now you can see we have the files. One minute. So I'm changing the data once again. Okay. So for West Bengal, I have added one city, and Kerala also I have added one city. So how we'll get the data? Okay. So if I now part the file in 1 2 second. Now, okay, now here Kerala, I have two cities. Partition the cities in two files because I have Kollam's data also and Trivandrum data. For West Bengal also same. I have Kolkata's data and Siliguri's data. But Tamil Nadu only I have one city, Chennai. That's why here I have only one partition file. Okay. If I'll go to here, okay. For I have one data from I have one data from Kolkata, and I have one data from Siliguri. I have three data from Kolkata and one data from Siliguri. Okay, so let's check. So you can see the files. Okay, if you will read the file, then you will understand how the reading part it will got faster. Okay. So for the small amount of data, you will not get understand. Okay, when it will be big data, then you will get understand that how the reading got faster. Okay, so this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please do like and share the videos with your friends so that they will get the benefit of this video. Okay, and also please subscribe our channel. Okay, I'm continuously uploading the videos, and please press the bell icon so that you will get the notification about the new videos. Okay, so you guys please support us. Your support is really much required. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Okay, bye.